Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica and this is my kitchen. Today I am not canning. I'm making some homemade mayonnaise and I'm going to share it with you. It's really simple to do, and once you start making your own mayonnaise, there's no reason to buy it from the store. You're going to start with 2 eggs and not the shell. And then to those 2 eggs, you're going to add a tablespoon of vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar you like. A tablespoon of lemon juice. You're going to need a little bit of mustard to help with emulsification. This is just some mustard that I made. About that much, about a teaspoon. Then you're going to want to add about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of pepper, or however much pepper you like. You can add any seasonings you like. It's completely up to you. And then you're going to pour over 2 cups of any kind of oil that you like the flavor of. So you can use avocado oil or just vegetable oil or salad oil or any kind of oil you like. And you're going to let that sit for just a few minutes and relax. I have a couple that I already started. So now I'm going to take my immersion blender. I'm going to put this in the jar all the way in the bottom on top of those eggs, and I'm just going to blend it right there for a few minutes. So you're going to use your immersion blender until everything is really well combined, and what you're going to end up with is a thick and delicious homemade mayonnaise. Now you can use this the same way you use mayonnaise from the store, but you're going to enjoy it better because you made it from your kitchen and it doesn't cost nearly as much as mayonnaise from the store, especially if you have homegrown eggs. I'm gonna finish mixing the rest of my jars, and tonight we're gonna make potato salad and we're gonna grill some meat, and it's gonna be just delicious. This can last in your fridge for at least a month. Don't worry about it. Ours doesn't last that long because we use it, but it can last that long. And anytime you are wanting mayonnaise, you can make it yourself. I have made it with a traditional blender, like on your countertop blender. I have found in the mason jar with your stick blender is the easiest and best way to do it. But anyway, I'm going to finish mixing these up, and I hope you give it a try. Delicious homemade mayonnaise from what you have in your pantry. Be so blessed. Know that you're loved, and be a blessing to someone else. I'll see you in the next video.